Hi, quick reviews. It's me, Sergio. So we'll continue with our SPSS episode. Let's have another non-parametric test, which is the Wilcoxon signed rank test. And it is the equivalent, a non-parametric equivalent for dependent t-test or paired t-test. So we have here similar data, but of course, there's an adjustment with the scores, but we are going to consider the same problem. You want to check whether a new drug increases memory performance. You test the memory performance of 30 people before and after they take the medicine. Going back to the data, and of course, we are going to consider the dependency test, particularly the assumption on this one. Assumption number 4. The distribution of the differences in the dependent variable between the two related groups should be approximately normally distributed. Okay, let's go back with our data. Since there were changes in the scores, we can copy this one and we will get the difference. Okay, we will use Excel. Okay, and then paste. So basically, we will use a formula equals symbol post minus pre. Okay. Center. Okay, this is bold. So let's see. Okay, so these are the differences. So we will copy this. Okay, paste. You can actually check this one. 54 minus 48, that's 6. 25 minus 30, that's negative 5. But we will fix the variable in the variable view. So this is the differences. Okay, the decimal. So we'll have this one 0. Center scale. Okay. So we will just adjust this. Okay. So considering the assumption on the dependency test, assumption number 4, we will check the normality. So analyze descriptive statistics and explore. So differences, plots, normality, and then continue. Okay. If the Shapiro-Wilk test, okay, is less than 5%, meaning it's not normal, we will use Wilcoxon signed rank test. Otherwise, if it's normal, we will use dependent t-test. So let's check the result. So here, the Shapiro-Wilk test, okay, the p-value is less than 5%, meaning the data is not normal. So we have to really use Wilcoxon signed rank test. So we will proceed. So to perform Wilcoxon signed rank test, analyze this. Okay, not that. Okay, we have non-parametric test, legacy dialogues, and two related samples. So let's check. Okay, post, pre. Okay, by default, Wilcoxon is automatically checked. Options, descriptives, quartiles, we need median. Continue. And then, okay. So this now the result. So I prepared here an APA style. So our variables will be the same thing, pre-intervention scores and post-intervention scores. We will use median because if it's not normal, the suggested measure of central tendency to be used is median. So 47.50 and 53.00. So let's see. Okay, 53.00 and 47.50, that's correct. The z value, since we are going to use a metric and this is the value we are expecting, negative 2.109. So in here, negative 2.109, that's correct. And the p-value is 0.035. So we have the p-value 0.035. That's correct. Since it is less than 5%, meaning it is significant, and our decision would be reject HO. So we are going to use these values for our discussion. So again, to perform Wilcoxon-Sain-Durang test, analyze non-parametric tests, legacy dialogues, and two related samples.